Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hanisa Rahmadita. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine. Before I start, what the first thing you see here? Yes, but what do you know about flute? Okay, of course, flooding is the most common natural in disaster in Indonesia. Flood is a condition where an area is inundated by a large amount of water. The arrival of flood can be predicted by taking into account the rainfall and waterfall. However, there are several causes of flooding. Here, I will convey about the factors. The causes of flooding are usually illegal logging, littering, and low water absorption. Illegal logging is logging carried out by individuals or groups by logging without a permit from the government, or the surrounding community. Illegal logging is not good because the forest is the source of everything, because it is a source of oxygen for all living things, and the forest is also a place to live for animal and human life. The forest has brought many benefits. Illegal logging is prohibited because it will have a negative impact on the environment and have an impact on forest destruction, global warming, and the decrease in low water resources, which I will long-term impact. Do you know that littering is bad to follow? Okay, yes, of course. Why? Because with the accumulation of non-biodegradable waste, there will be overflows such as ditches, river, and road, which cause flooding and damage the surrounding environment, which look dirty, smell, and becomes a hotbed of disease that must be prevented immediately. Low water absorption can be due to littering, but eventually it can also be due to environment factor such as land coverage by building very low planting of plants, denuded forest causes by dry land, so that it is difficult because water absorption can so be carried out by plants. Important factor affect water absorption because there must be availability of groundwater, temperature, soil, and circulation. Okay, in conclusion, not taking care of the environment probably will have a negative impact on the surrounding community. Therefore, we as a society who cares about the environment, we must be able to understand and protect your environment, so that unwanted disaster to not occur, namely food. And the advice is to overcome that. It is necessary to educate the public the dangers of polluting. Love your environment. If you love yourself, it will be easier to love others such as the environment. So don't hesitate or be afraid to reprimand people who do wrong, such as cutting down trees illegally, littering, so that absorption does not occur. Water is low, so it becomes to get clean water. And thank you from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.